Welcome back. Good day, all. Today we're going to talk about life lesson 16. The life lesson 16 is by correct thinking, one can turn one's situation favorably. Today I'm going to talk to you about a story, and you will be able to relate to it as to what I want to speak and make you understand. In one good old days, there was a farmer. The farmer had a farmland, and while he was tilling the land, he found a pot under the ground and he pulled it out, and it was a golden pot. He covered it and he got it back home, and then he showed it to his wife, and both of them opened the lid of the pot. The moment they opened the lid of the pot, push came the ghost out. The ghost told the farmer and his farmer's wife that thanks, for centuries I was in the pot, you have released me, now I'm going to serve you, tell me what I need to do, if I don't have work, I'm going to eat you. The farmer said, oh, I've got so much of work to do, the ghost will be engaged for the rest of his life and I will get served. The farmer told the ghost to plow the land, and in a whisk of a minute, the whole 10 acre of his land was plowed. He was surprised. Then he said, okay, go ahead and water the farmland. Again, within minutes, the land was watered. Then he said, okay, fine, go ahead and mop and clean the hut I stay. It happened. He said, go and plow the other person's land, the friend's land. It was done. Go and pluck the fruits from the trees. It was done. And the work kept on diminishing. The farmer's wife was observing all of this, and then he realized that we need to give a task which is going to keep the ghost engaged. So the farmer's wife was a wise lady. She said, we have a dog, let's give the dog to the ghost and ask the ghost to straighten the dog's tail. The ghost was given the task. The ghost kept on straightening the dog's tail. It never straightened, it kept him engaged. And whenever they had any other work, they used to ask the ghost to do the work and then put it back to the ghost, the dog's tail, and the dog's tail kept on wagging back and turning and curling, right? The story ends there. What's the life lesson? The life lesson is, the life teaches us that there are many a situation where we will be put into different aspects of life. But it is we who has to understand and handle them and come out of those difficult situations. The moment we realize it, the moment we understand it, then we will be doing the correct thinking, and we will convert an unfavorable situation to a favorable situation. With that, we come to end of life lesson 16. Do correct thinking and it will turn it into your own favor. With that, have a good day ahead. Keep liking, keep subscribing. Thank you. Bye-bye.